Welcome to Compare to Win. The best 6-inch pegboard hooks is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for organizing any space, whether it's a workshop, garage, craft room, or even a kitchen, offering a simple yet effective way to declutter surfaces and keep frequently used items within easy reach, transforming chaotic areas into models of efficiency and accessibility. Number 5. Neiko 53102A 6-inch Pegboard Hook Organizer Kit. Introducing the Neiko 53102A 6-inch Pegboard Hook Organizer Kit, a 50-pack solution designed to bring order to your garage and workshop. These 1/8-inch hooks are designed to fit standard 1/4-inch pegboards with 1-inch spacing. They are perfect for organizing a wide variety of items, from tools to household supplies. Crafted from heavy-duty hardened steel, these hooks offer exceptional strength and durability. You can rely on them for years of continued use, ensuring your space stays organized. The nickel-plated finish not only provides a sleek look but also enhances longevity by reducing wear and tear. Enjoy a premium feel and lasting performance. Setting up and rearranging these organizers is a breeze. Easily customize your storage to perfectly suit your needs, whether it's for your garage, tool shed, or basement. These versatile hooks are ideal for any workspace, including shops, garages, and basements. Create efficient storage solutions by lining your pegboards along walls or in any convenient location. What we like. These hooks are built to last with their hardened steel construction and a superior nickel-plated finish for reduced wear. They offer easy installation and can be rearranged to suit your needs. If you are looking for a durable and versatile solution for general garage or workshop organization, these are a solid choice. What people say. These hooks are very sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. The variety of hook types included is great for organizing different tools. They fit perfectly into standard pegboard holes and stay put. Number 4. HUHOLE 50-pack 6-inch silver pegboard hooks. Introducing our 50-pack of 6-inch silver pegboard hooks. Designed for ultimate organization and tool protection, they're a must-have for any workshop or display. These hooks feature non-slip rubber tips, protecting your tools and hands from sharp edges. The upturned L shape keeps items securely in place, preventing them from falling. Enjoy long-lasting durability with our double-layer rust protection. The galvanized steel core and premium powder coating ensure they remain rust-free, even in humid conditions. Engineered for a universal fit, they securely lock into standard 1/8-inch and 1/4-inch pegboards. Say goodbye to wobbling and falling hooks. Don't underestimate their size. Made from thickened alloy steel, each hook can hold up to 20 pounds without bending, perfect for your heaviest tools. This versatile 50-piece kit offers the perfect length for organizing everything from jewelry to hardware. Maximize your space and keep items neatly displayed. What we like. Featuring non-slip rubber tips and double-layer rust protection, these hooks are designed to keep your items secure and protected. Their heavy-duty capacity makes them ideal for heavier items. If you need to protect your tools from scratches or are working in a humid environment, these would be an excellent option. What people say. These hooks are great for organizing my tools and keeping them off my workbench. They fit perfectly into my pegboard and hold my items securely. The variety of hook types included allows me to hang different kinds of tools, from wrenches to pliers. Number 3. HUHOLE 6-inch black pegboard hooks. These hooks are specifically designed for standard 1/4-inch pegboards. They offer a secure, wobble-free fit that ensures your items stay in place. Crafted from hardened steel, each hook can hold up to 30 pounds. You can confidently hang heavy tools and equipment without worrying about bending. Featuring a premium black powder-coated finish, these hooks resist rust and corrosion. They are perfect for use in garages or retail environments. The classic L shape with an angled tip keeps your tools securely on the rack. Their 6-inch length provides ample space for multiple items. These are essential for decluttering any space. Use them in your garage, craft room, or retail store to keep everything organized and accessible. What we like. Engineered exclusively for 1/4-inch pegboards, these hooks offer a snug, wobble-free fit and boast an impressive 30 pounds capacity. The rust-resistant black powder-coated finish adds a sleek look. If you have a 1/4-inch pegboard and need to hang heavier items like power drills or garden equipment, these are the perfect fit. What people say. These hooks are great for organizing my garage. They fit perfectly into my pegboard and hold a lot of weight. I love how versatile these hooks are, I can use them for so many different things. Number 2. HUHOLE Black Metal U-Shape Pegboard Picture Hangers. Introducing specialized hangers designed for your home organization and gallery walls. Their unique U-shaped design provides a stable cradle, keeping your frames and decor perfectly level. Worry no more about compatibility. These hooks are engineered to fit securely into both standard 1/8-inch and 1/4-inch pegboards with 1-inch spacing. Enhance any room with their stylish matte black finish. The powder coating offers a smooth, rust-resistant surface that protects your items and adds a refined look. Keep your display neat and tidy with the dual-prong structure. It prevents items from swaying or tilting, ensuring everything stays perfectly in place. Declutter without taking up too much space. These small metal hooks are perfect for displaying photos, organizing craft supplies, or showcasing merchandise. These are designed for lightweight organization. They are perfect for hanging pictures, jewelry, keys, and small retail packages. What we like. These hooks feature a unique U-shaped design specifically for hanging pictures and lightweight decor, providing a stable, level cradle. They have a sleek black powder-coated finish and universal fit. If you're looking to create a gallery wall, organize craft supplies, or display lightweight retail items, these specialized hooks are ideal. What people say. The hooks are sturdy and hold tools well. Easy to install and rearrange on a pegboard. Good variety of hook types included for different tools. Number 1. POETISKE 6-inch Pegboard Hooks 50-pack. Introducing our premium pegboard hooks, crafted from high-quality steel for exceptional durability. They are designed to withstand heavy use without bending or deforming, ensuring they last for years. Each hook features a chrome-plated finish, providing excellent resistance to rust and added durability. The rubber tips prevent your items from slipping off, keeping them secure. These hooks are perfect for organizing various spaces, including garages, workshops, and retail environments. They help create a clean and organized look for your tools and merchandise. Designed to fit all 1/4 and 1/8 pegboards with 1-inch spacing, installation is a breeze. You can easily attach and detach them as needed. Each hook has a weight capacity of up to 20 pounds, making them ideal for holding a wide range of items. From tools and keychains to retail products, they offer versatile storage solutions. This package includes 50 hooks. We are committed to providing excellent customer service, including easy exchanges, refunds, and a free return policy for your peace of mind. What we like. With a high-quality steel construction, chrome-plated finish for rust resistance, and rubber-tipped ends, these hooks offer both durability and item protection. They have a good weight capacity and a clean, organized look. If you prioritize protecting your items from scratches and want a reliable hook for tools, keychains, or retail items, these are a great choice. What people say. These hooks are great for organizing my garage tools. They fit perfectly into my pegboard and hold a good amount of weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.